Welcome to the HomeDNA at-home DNA test kit review usage experience. You'll find links to the product in the description below. HomeDNA offers a variety of DNA testing options tailored to meet specific needs, including ancestry, health, wellness, skincare, and even pet DNA analysis. It's designed for individuals who want targeted insights without the added complexity of broader genetic testing services. HomeDNA stands out for its flexibility and specialization. For Ancestry, the kit provides detailed regional breakdowns, tracing your genetic origins with precision. The Ancestry test offers unique features such as migration patterns and genetic relationships across different populations. On the health and wellness front, HomeDNA offers tests that analyze how your body responds to diet, fitness, and nutrients, empowering you to personalize your lifestyle for better results. One standout feature is their skincare test, which focuses on how your genetics influence skin aging, sun sensitivity, and overall skin health. It provides tailored recommendations for skincare products and routines to enhance your regimen. Additionally, HomeDNA caters to pet owners with their dog DNA test, which helps identify your pet's breed and genetic traits. The testing process is straightforward. Once you purchase a kit, you collect a cheek swab sample and send it back using the prepaid envelope. Results are typically available within a few weeks via their online platform. The reports are user-friendly, with actionable recommendations for fitness, diet, skincare, or understanding your ancestry. HomeDNA is best suited for people who prefer specialized tests rather than a comprehensive all-in-one approach. However, if you're looking for a deeper dive into ancestry or advanced genetic health screening, other services may provide broader options. In conclusion, HomeDNA delivers reliable, focused insights tailored to your specific interests. Whether you're curious about your ancestry, want to optimize your wellness routine, or learn more about your pet, HomeDNA offers a targeted and accessible solution. For more information and to get started, check out the links in the description.